Good day, sir. My name is Gerald Manimog, and now this is our report. And tatalakayin natin ang effect of bigging and permeability on the stability of the ship. When akong i-explain and akong i-discuss aron ug akong i-share ninyo aron malikayan ang accident or kuan sa atong barko. When a ship is damaged because of conclusion, grounding, or accident, water enter that compartment is increased, the ship weight and reduce buoyancy. Because of this, ship may lead to one side less termed by the bow or stern. And because the unstable service building may cause capsizing or sinking, natay kuan dere nga pwede nga ang barko na to is motakilid or malunod. Ang building mao pod ang pagsulod sa tubig sa sulod sa barko tungod kay adunay buslot o damage sa hull. Kung mosulod ang tubig, mudugang ang timbang sa barko ug muubos ang buoyancy tungod ani mahimong takilid ang barko usa ka side lest o mulubog ang bow or stern kung grabe ang flooding, possible na mutubog og malunod ang barko. Effect of building on stability. Adds in extra weight to the ship, reduce buoyancy, costless and term, decrease stability, may lead to capsizing or sinking. Permeability. Unsa kuno nang permeability? Permeability is the amount of empty space or inside or a compartment that can filled by water during flooding. Kanang space or trap area. A compartment with high probability has more empty space or more water can enter during flooding. This caused the great a loss of stability in compartment with a cargo or machinery have lower permeability because that contents or space are reduced that amount of water entering. Effect of probability on stability. Ang effect niya is high probability, more flooding, greater loss of buoyancy, reduce ship stability faster, affect damage stability calculation. Simple conclusion. Build and permeate gritting affect ship stability, building cost, flooding, and loss of buoyancy with probability determine how much water can enter the compartment. Both can make the ship stable and may cause sinking if not controlled. That's all.